Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make Hasselback potatoes. These potatoes are flavored with garlic butter. They're so delicious and the perfect side dish to make. Let's get started. We're using 3 large russet potatoes for this recipe. We're going to start by slicing the potatoes. We don't want to make the mistake of slicing the potatoes all the way down, so we're going to place each potato between 2 wooden spoons. Next, grab a knife and start slicing through the potato just like I'm doing. The wooden spoon will stop you from cutting all the way through the potato. The slices are about 1/8 inch. Keep in mind that the smaller the slices, the faster the potatoes will cook and the crispier they will be. I've gone ahead and sliced up all 3 potatoes. I'm going to transfer them onto a baking sheet. Next, in a small bowl, we're going to mix together 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're also going to add half a teaspoon of paprika and salt and pepper to your taste. Make sure you're generous with the salt because potatoes love salt. Next, add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated parmesan cheese. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Then we're going to put the sauce onto the potatoes. The sauce will seep into the slices of the potatoes and add flavor from the inside out. Use a brush to brush the sauce onto all sides of the potatoes. Make sure you set a little bit of the sauce aside for a final brushing when the potatoes are done baking. Your oven should be preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the potatoes into the oven to bake for an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. The baking time depends on the size of your potatoes, so after an hour, check if the inside is soft. If it isn't, let them bake for a little longer. Use the remaining sauce we set aside for a final brushing, and then we're going to garnish them with some freshly chopped parsley. These Hasselback potatoes came out so good. The texture is amazing because the skin is so crispy and then the inside is very soft and creamy. I served the potatoes with some corn and pork ribs. I'll be showing the pork ribs recipe in my next video. If you guys would like to try these Hasselback potatoes, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.